Oh, no kidding. Yeah, I made sure I looked at the weather, winds, taking any chances.
All right, we're about to start.
I was hoping if I put it
we're
on,
the
it'd
press
keep it
club.
away.
We're ready to check this out.
Nice.
Didn't work.
We got 719.
All right, ready. It's about a minute.
Yeah.
719, about a minute
About
out.
a minute done.
Start of the world's largest 10K. Peachtree Roadrace. It's a little overcast and rainy. It's cool. It's not pouring down rain. Forecast is rain.
It's the 10 seconds.
10-second mark.
Be ready. Be ready.
Oh, there we go.
Go. Go.
Right.
Go.
We're off.
On our way.
This year it's
All right,
4
Don, good
teams,
job.
the African,
Good
American,
job.
the Asian,
I'm hanging
the
up
European team. And it's the best of 3 times to win the Peachtree Cup. So we're off. Atlantic Small. The world's largest TK. The lead car.
3 Americans in front right now. Hello? Okay. We started. We're 35 seconds in. The Americans are up front right now. It's Pinnell and Pinnell and Christo. You can probably see it on TV. Pretty big pack. The purple guy that's got to be one of the Africans. That's a girl. Is that a girl? No, the Africans are in purple. Or blue. It's actually blue, not purple. Okay, that's fine. Well, we got 1 Kenyan, 1 South African, and 1 Ethiopian. Ethiopia, yeah. It's funny, they're running the longer route. They're not running the shortest route. They're not running the shorter route. I'm too far away to tell exactly who it is. I gotta get my dog. 2 minutes in. Christo's up front. The Kenyan girls up front. Shalane is third. Kenyan girls in front. Shalane is third. I can't tell if that's Salel. I think that is. I think the African guy's Salel. Now he's second. Still too early, Dennis.
Past the Piedmont Road.
That looks like Christo's ahead. Is that Christo or is that Bobby Curtis? Bobby Curtis. Bobby Curtis up front. And that's Salel next to him. Curtis and Salel.
We're on the push truck, Peachtree Roadrace. The heart of Buckhead right now.
3.5 minutes in.
Hey Nicole, what's up?
European guy? Yep.
Please give me some heart, give me some feedback.
Yep. No, white is dress. That's Bobby Curtis.
Yeah. You're the boy.
Yes. He's got a beard. Oh, we're too far away. So it's, hey Karen, so it's interesting, we're running on runner left, which is actually the longer distance. Sorry, runner right. We're running on runner right, and the course turns towards the left, which doesn't make any sense. I don't know. You would think Christo would know because he's been there. Look, the Japanese dudes are still up there. It's definitely in front. Then it's Solel, and then it's the April kid, the South African guy. Still Bobby Curtis. Not yet, coming up.
So we're at the Atlanta Peachtree Roadrace. We're at the world's largest 10K. You're on the front.
Miles coming up.
And you're ahead of the runners. This here is the top 3 average. Team Europe, Team Asia,
450,
Team USA.
450,
Bobby Curtis
450.
Bene così, Dani.
Bobby Curtis. Daniel Solel, second. Bobby Curtis, Daniel Solel. 450, first mile. First slow mile. Tactical race, guys. Tactical, very tactical. What time? 450. Slow. Very slow for these guys. They're going out easily under 430 before here.
We're in part of Buckhead. It's a little rainy.
There's no numbers. I can't see the women. They're too far back. That's still Bobby Curtis in front. What are those freaking African guys doing? If they lose by like 10 feet, they're gonna find out that they give us the hearts. Give us the hearts. I mean,
For the broadcast with your folks.
no, they're on the okay. The main pack's definitely on the shorter side. It's the two. It's Solel and the April kid.
Buckhead.
The two Africans
Right
are
here.
running down kind of the middle of the road.
Right next to the shop of Buckhead, which is kind of Martin Rodale Drive.
Really straight. I don't know if they're trying to make it move or not.
This year it's the best of Team 3, Team Asia, Team America, Team China.
So it's Solel with Bobby Curtis. Bobby's hanging off Bobby.
Music beer.
We're heading down the hill now. It's definitely tactical.
Not a lot of people usually. The streets are packed here. Peachtree in the heart of Buckhead. One thing is that this will finish probably before the first race, first runner. First runner.
Actually, no, he's right. I don't see Deborah Marion up there at all.
I don't see there. Accident found my glass lens fell out.
These dudes are hanging in. At that pace, they should be able to. All right, we're passing Publix, passing Moe's. Closing in on 2 miles. They haven't picked up that much. Mary's still in the back.
We're a Buckhead, people are out there cheering people on. Usually there's a reverend out here blessing the Buckhead Cathedral Row. Starting to line up here in Buckhead. We're in the heart of Buckhead.
Making a little bit of a move.
Cathedral Row.
Okay, we're passing Fellini's. I know you know where we are. Passing Fellini's. Bobby Curtis is moving the pack over to the shore of Texas. The 2 other Africans are running on the right side with the ball.
The reverend here is
Yep, Daniel Solel, yep. But it's Bobby Curtis is the one everybody's keen on.
the reverend here is blessing everybody. You'll see him blessing the
All right, we're coming up on 2 miles.
blessing. Blessing us.
Had it less than a minute.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Give us a blessing there, the reverend. And now that big structure there, that's where Uncle John
Okay, 2 miles coming up. 2 miles coming up.
lives. So we're at the 2 mile mark. Broadcasting live from the Peachtree Roadrace, the world's largest 10K. 60,000 people run this race. watching.
Nobody's going. Everybody's sitting behind Bobby. Doggy's gonna come down to that number 3 girl, please.
Sorry, the rain.
Everybody's still there. Passing the churches, Bobby Curtis is still in front.
Let me know if you can hear me.
No, they're all behind you. It's that fast. He's the leader. He's definitely the leader. Coming up on Lindbergh.
Great, thank you. Thanks for giving me that feedback. The wind, I don't know. The wind noise, yeah. I didn't bring my mic.
Still Bobby Curtis, Solel, one of the European guys.
It's a rainy day in Atlanta, Georgia, with the Peachtree Roadrace, the largest 10K.
It's all 12 guys, too. All 12 guys. Man, it's like all 12 of them. We're passing Lindbergh right now. No one's they're letting Bobby still lead it. They definitely picked it up because it's downhill, but Bruce goes there. It's a nice race. Yep. Almost down to Peachtree Battle. Still Bobby Curtis, Solel, Christo's making his little move there. We're at Peachtree Battle. Yep. Solel's testing the water.
Join us at Peachtree. It's not hard to hill. It's probably the toughest part of the course. Very steep. We drive right in front of the Shepherd Center.
That's the water station. 3 miles, got about 200 meters to 3 miles. It's still Bobby Curtis. He's taking the front. They're starting to hold. Get wound up now.
Thank you for joining me.
50 meters.
Live on Periscope. We're following the Peachtree Roadrace. This is Heart Attack Hill, mile 3 mark.
Okay. 3 miles coming up. Be ready. 3 miles. 13:57. 13:57. Bobby Curtis, Daniel Solel's gone. 13:57. I'm sorry to say the Japanese guys are getting dropped. All 3 Japanese guys are getting dropped.
Best of the best, the elite, the walking walking, the best is winners on earth.
It looks like either Tyler Fennell or Chris Landry. There comes up top. Solel is still there. Deborah Marion's still there. All the Europeans are still there. good race. It's a good race. Japanese guys they're not totally out of it, but they're getting dropped pretty bad. It's Tyler Fennell and Bobby Kurtz with Sorrell next to him.
This is the toughest part of the race right here. This is very
Tyler's
steep hill.
taking it on. They're still getting in there. There we go. There's Tyler.
There's a Shepherd Center where they help people with spinal injuries. Very inspirational to see these guys out here. We should appreciate your help. Please send them your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love.
Tyler Fennell trying to break the lead. He's the one making the moves, and they're following him. All three Americans are top four. Sorrell's there. Uh-oh. A couple of European guys are dropping off.
Great.
European guys are dropping off. There's one European guy left. Yep. So it's all three Africans, all three Americans, and one European. Is that Bucci? Yeah, all right. So it's the Europeans, Bucci. Very good. The three Americans, and the three closing in on 4 miles. Probably not for another minute though.
Happy 4th of Paris. In Atlanta, Georgia, at the Peachtree Roadrace.
Okay, we should be getting 4 miles pretty soon, but we're looking up film, so it's... Okay, 4 miles coming up, about 150 meters. It's going to be 18 something.
Atlanta Track Club, what is going on? I love her here.
It's still Tyler Fennell and Sorrell. Mucci is up there. All right, we're passing 4 miles. It's going to be 18. It's going to be the 1840s. Hold on. 18. Right. 1850. Tyler Fennell and Daniel Sorrell. 1850. The three Americans are working together. They're trying to make a little move. And they're taking Mucci with them. Who's up there now? Is that Bristol or Bobby? Bobby, they're talking to each other. Bobby's starting to make a push. Bobby's making a big push. Big push. Tyler's going with him. They're dropping April. After the South African, they're dropping him. Mucci's getting dropped. We're crossing 85. Crossing 85, so it's Sorrell, Curtis, Fennell, Then Cristo. Oh, they're dropping Geb Ramarian too. Well, no, he's still down. Geb's still there. It's down to 5 guys. Nucci's out. He's not there anymore. Geb's still hanging. Solel is right there with them. It's Solel and Pinnell and Curtis. What a race. Tyler is really pushing it. They can see it. It's really working. Bobby's hanging with them. Tyler's doing all the work. Solel's just sitting on him. What a good race. Tyler's really working it. Bobby's working it.
Midtown.
There's Bobby, right? Is that Bobby?
That's Tyler front and
Is that Bobby or is that
That's
Cristo? It's Cristo. Sorry, it's Cristo. Top 3 is Tyler, Cristo, and Solel. Cristo is moving. Cristo's making a move. He's trying to take it. Solel's hanging. Tyler's really working it. Tyler's, yep, fastest mile of the race. They're definitely motoring. Tyler's working it. Solel's right with them. I don't see mile 5 yet, but we should be there soon.
It's coming up. I see it.
Yeah, we're coming to the high museum. Tyler's still working this race. He's pushing it.
Atlanta now. High Museum could be on your right. Raining out here. Crowds are kind of thin.
I mean, it's a big gap. Probably another 40 seconds or 50 seconds till we get to mile 5. It's still Pinnell. Solel's kind of staying in there. Cristo's really having to work this thing. Solel's starting to take a little lead. Solel's a step on him. Solel is definitely taking the lead. But Tyler's not done. He's trying to stay with it. They're dropping Cristo. They're dropping Cristo. Cristo's out. It's a 2-man race now. Solel and Pinnell. Here's mile 5 coming up. Mile 5 coming up. 20, 21, 23, 21. Tyler Pinnell. Daniel Solel. Cristo Landry. Cristo. It's a 2-man race and Tyler's taking the lead again. Tyler's in front. Look at him, he's working it. Last hill of the race, right here. We're just past Woodruff Park.
Peachtree, we're Midtown.
Solel's hanging. Tyler's got that front end. Tyler looks good. Cristo is coming. He's got the barrel break
14th Street.
Solel is trying to go around him again. Tyler's holding him off. Tyler's still got the lead. He's running the shorter distance. He looks good. Tyler's still ahead. Solel hasn't been able to break him. Cristo still in 3rd. He's got a pretty big gap on 4th. Cristo looks okay.
down here on Grove Street. That's GK. GK, please share with your followers.
Swell's going up in front of him. Swell's
Midtown Atlanta.
Swell's side by side with him. He's gonna jump. Swell's going to shorts. Christo's third. That's about to change. The dude from South Africa is passing Christo. What's his name? He's surprised. He's passing Christo. Passing more military people. Military people. Definitely in the road. We are on 10th Street. It's Solel and Pinnell, side by side. Tyler's making a move to move back up with them. Tyler's hanging with them. Solel's got a step on him. That's about it. They're side by side. Christo is third. Christo is still third. Christo is still third. Another big move. Tyler's with them. Tyler's the big truck. Underneath the photo truck. Tyler's just a little bit ahead. Christo is definitely third. Okay, we're going up the little hill with e-bike. Just a little ride. Tyler's still ahead. Solel's right next to him. Tyler is ahead of him now. We're passing Flying Biscuit. Solel's hanging, but Tyler's definitely ahead of him. Tyler's definitely ahead of him as we cross. You probably can see us now. Solel's hanging with them. But Tyler's definitely in front of him. Oh, Solel just went around him. Solel's making a push. Tyler's not done. Solel is moving though. Oh, Solel's starting to get a gap on him. Little gap. Little gap. He's got a gap. Tyler's not done though. Tyler's not finished. He's still there. But there's a little bit of a gap.
Get off the track.
We'll turn. As soon as we stop on Charles Island, you can run to the right of the podium.
Tyler's getting him back on him. Tyler's next to him. Tyler is next to Solel. He's hanging with him. He's right there with them.
Thank you for enjoying the race. We're here at the final end. We're about to get out.
He's just a little bit though. Tyler's putting the hammer down. So is Solel. We're coming in. We're coming in. We're coming in. Tyler's ahead. Tyler's gonna win. No, Solel's now ahead. No, Solel went back ahead. Solel went back ahead.
You will go to the right of the podium when you get off the truck. Right.
You got it. It's all yours now. Go. You're going. Guys, we're gonna go. Excuse me, guys.
All right.
Thanks for watching, and that's what it's like to be on the press club. Check with me later. ABC Vision, Dr. Wilson Trevino, your attitude, your beliefs, commitment. Follow me, share the broadcast, and thanks for watching. And we're broadcasting from the Atlanta Peachtree Road Race in Atlanta, Georgia, the world's largest 10K. Thank you.